A question I've been getting a lot is what has the IRS been doing with their increased funding? It's been over a year now. So what we've seen is as follows. So the IRS is really focused on hiring more higher level people, meaning more people with advanced knowledge. Like they're trying to hire more accountants, more lawyers. So they're looking for people that can audit more high net worth people, more businesses, more partnerships, more S corps, because in the past they really didn't have the staff to do that as much. That's why partnerships and S corp audits were so low. So they're trying to get more experienced high-level staff, and we're starting to see that. That's why you're seeing more audits of partnerships and more audits of S corps. Another thing we are seeing with the IRS, with the increased funding, is the increase of revenue officers. So the revenue officers are people that try to collect the money from taxpayers that are delinquent. So they're trying to get more of those people in the field. And when they get more of those people in the field, that's when they see more bank levies, more wage garnishments. After COVID or during COVID, that really slowed down. And we've definitely seen a pickup in that activity. And we're seeing more revenue officers do bank levies and wage garnishments. Payroll tax continues to be a major focus of the IRS. The IRS always goes after businesses that don't pay payroll tax. The reason being, that's how the government functions. The majority of revenue they get is from tax withholdings. So if companies don't make those payments, the IRS is worried, or the overall government is worried they're not going to have enough money, to fund regular services. And they treat business owners that don't pay payroll taxes very harshly. Those are more often than not the cases that go criminal, is when there's a business owner that's not paying payroll taxes and they continue to evade, they continue to avoid, and they don't respond to the IRS. Those are the ones that move further up the ladder. What cases tend to go criminal from the IRS perspective? So the IRS is hiring more high-level attorneys to try to do bigger cases. They really look for people that are avoiding paying taxes willfully. And what that means is they're purposely not filing and purposely not paying, and they're taking that money to go live a lavish lifestyle or go hide it, maybe move it overseas, maybe put the money in crypto. So that tells the IRS that you're willfully avoiding paying taxes. So if they can get those records that you're purposely hiding the money, those are the cases that they want to bring as criminal cases. An issue that we see a lot is people apply for offer and compromise, and they either get rejected or they apply incorrectly. If you're applying for an offer and compromise, you should know beforehand whether or not you're going to be successful. How can you do that? Well, the IRS has a formula which should be able to tell you whether or not you qualify. Your professional or whoever you're paying to help you or yourself should be able to do this. We see a lot of people don't. Also, when you apply, you need to be current on your estimated taxes if you're self-employed, and you need to stay current throughout the process. The process is usually a year to 2 years long, so you need to be prepared for this. So if you're not going to be able to stay current, then you shouldn't apply. If you're not going to qualify financially, you shouldn't apply. There's definitely other options that the IRS has that may be better for you.